iOS 26 Beta, a new option to customize liquid glass annoyance. Are you tired of the liquid glass feature on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac? A new setting in the iOS 26.1, iPadOS 26.1, and macOS 26.1 developer beta lets you choose between clear and tinted options for the liquid glass design. Clear is the default design you've been using since liquid glass launched in September, while tinted adds a new opaque contrast to the interface. The change impacts most design elements, including notifications and settings. The beta includes 2 examples to help you decide, but it's best to test it on your daily apps. A video from YouTube creator Zolotech demonstrates the design in action on an iPhone. To access this feature, go to Settings, Display and Brightness on iPhone and iPad, or System Settings, Appearance on Mac. The liquid glass menu contains the new options. Apple tells TechCrunch that developers can easily adapt their apps to the user's preference, so no extra coding is needed. These features are part of a developer beta, but a public beta is expected soon. If you can't wait, PC Mag offers a guide on how to tweak liquid glass on your iPhone. Stay tuned for more updates on the public release date, which Apple hasn't yet announced.